I'm going to show you how to increase undo send time in Gmail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. On Gmail, click on this setting gear button. Click on see all settings. Now from here, look for undo send. You see send cancellation period. Currently is on 5 seconds. You can just click and select 10 seconds if you want, 20 or 30. Usually I leave it at 30. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Now the changes have been saved. What will happen is that the next time you send an email, Gmail will delay the email from sending for like 30 seconds. And within that time window, you can click on the undo button, which you always find somewhere around here when you send an email. If you do not click on that button within that timeline, the email will be permanently sent.